Hi guys, Kimberly here with the Artistic Frog, and I just wanted to come to you today from Mountain View, Arkansas. We moved here recently and I got a lot of new exciting things going on I wanted to share with you. Um, let's get started with this unboxing, and it's actually kind of already unboxed, most of it, but I did want to go over all of the blanks that I got from Dharma Trading. This is one that I'm wearing. Gonna batik this up, and I think that will be very, very cute. And I have some more of those. I have most of these in all sizes, but this is another shirt that I got. This is just the one single shirt. Ties here at the waist, and I think that's going to be cute. I believe that's the only single one that I've got. Let me start grabbing these and go over everything with you. So we got, I think these are going to be great for this summer. Little tanks, and again, they have the sides there doing their thing. Those are going to be really cute. And oh, this is another just single thing that I got. It's a dress. It says rayon. Very nice. Of course, everything was just kind of thrown in the boxes, which is fine for me. They've all got to be washed and dried and taken care of, so that's not a problem. Let's show you these. Okay, these are kind of like the tank, but it's got a little short sleeve to it. I think that'll be real popular too. And these, oh yeah, these have the little bell sleeves. That'll be cute. Very cute. Oh, this is another single. I wasn't real sure how this was going to sell. It's like the yoga pant top. You know, it's got the band there, and I think that's going to be really pretty. Sport, behave. A little puppy there getting a little rambunctious. Okay, and then we have more skirts. Nope, these are the pants, and I really don't remember ordering these. Stop that. Stop. Pardon me. Don't remember ordering these, but I got quite a few. So, not real sure what I'm going to do with those, but those are kind of cool. Pardon my turning my back on you here. Okay, more skirts. This has the little thing. I hope it's y'all can see what's going on. That's going to be really pretty. So, got skirts and another skirt. This one, and that's the back, and it has the little flouncy frilly thing at the bottom there. Be pretty. Another skirt. Skirts are very, very popular up here. Um, we're just loving it. We're just loving it. Okay. And then this is the same thing that I have on. I got several of those. Several of those. And, oh yeah, this is going to be cool. This is the only one that I got. This one. Hope you can see that. And the detail with the 3 buttons there. And the back. Getting so excited. These are gonna boutique up. So cool. Also got, I didn't open these, but I did get some silk scarves. Excited to get back into doing scarves again. And then I got this, and I only ordered one of these because I wasn't really sure about it. Turns out that I really like this. I like the weight of it. I like the feel of it. It's just, it's not too light. It's not too thick. I just really like this. I wish I had ordered more. But I instead made a mistake, I think, and ordered quite a few of these. Now what I'm getting ready to show you is a small. I was so upset. But this is a small. Is that crazy? I don't know how much this is going to shrink up. Naturally, it is 100% cotton. So I'm hoping that these shrink up quite a bit, but I don't think they're going to. Now it does say that they are loose fitting, but that's crazy. And I got quite a few of those. That's the small. Let me show you the large. Wow. Isn't that crazy? So, not really sure what I'm going to do with these. If these are going to be a seller, I don't know. I don't know. Stop that. My puppy being a puppy. Sorry about that. Get those out of the way. Now, I have not unpacked these. These may be for another video. And I had a really good hint on one of the Facebook groups, the tie-dye groups. They were talking about, do not open these in the house. I always had in the past. Dharma is very, very good about the way they wrap things and package them. There's electrical black tape around each lid, and then it's in a plastic bag. I'm gonna have to do this outside though, because sometimes nothing that Dharma does, but she can't control the shipping and how the boxes are handled, but sometimes there are leaks. So I may make another video with all of this. I'll try to do that, but I'm excited, y'all. I gotta get busy and get this stuff washed and start boutiquing. There's a little place called Cypress and Stone, and it is right on the town square, and that is where I am showing my boutiques and selling my boutiques. We'll also be trying to get stuff set up online to sell some online also. But I'm excited. This is a really good start. It's a really good beginning. And sorry I haven't been making many videos, but life has just been crazy, I think, for everybody. So, but I'm excited to get started again. So, thank you all for joining me in my unboxing showing of all of the new blanks that I got, and hope that you will enjoy watching me do some of these boutiques. I'll try to get some videos of that and the process. And he just grabbed a dress, so I gotta go. Thank you all for watching. Have a blessed day. God bless you. Bye-bye.